This is a story about me, having a desire to become a full-time trader. If you have the same desire, this story could also be about you. 4 years ago, I made a choice that I have regretted many times. I decided to become a full-time trader to invest the money I earned from my company. Little did I know about the pain I should suffer, how many endless nights without sleep because of trading, all the mood swings, the overwhelming stress, feeling worthless of just losing money, and the time and effort it takes to end up with nothing. Loss after loss, and losing numerous accounts. I saw people all over the internet earning so much money. I often feel I'm smarter than the average person, so why couldn't I earn money from trading? I didn't get it. I then realized that the truth is not what it seems. Most YouTubers talking about trading strategies say what everyone else is saying to sound smarter than they are and to grow their channel. I spent almost 2 years on this nonsense until I realized what helped me move forward. All the time spent on YouTube was a waste of time. I knew I had to stop consuming. I fell in love with the process and put in more sharp time than any other person. I am fortunate to own a business that gives me the freedom to do whatever I want with my time. Sharp time was the one thing that changed my trading career, from going from a losing trader to a break-even and then to profitable, but it has taken me 3 years. And still to this day, being profitable is no guarantee. As soon as you feel you got it, you get humbled by the market and you can never predict how your income will be from trading. Rumors say that 95% of all traders lose money. By looking at YouTube, educators and trading courses, I see that 95% of them teach the same things. So, if 95% of all traders trade the same way, who do you think is losing money? If you follow the rest, you become like the rest. Find your own path to success. I started my YouTube channel despite that I don't like to be in the center, to be able to help people not waste time on nonsense. It's a long journey. It takes a lot of time to grow an audience, and I always feel I have too little time to share my message. A message that hopefully helps you become a profitable trader, if you decide on taking that route. I'm not sure what advice I would give myself if I could go back 4 years to when I first decided to take this path. I would probably tell myself to spend the time on starting on any other business, and it would pay off more than trading does with a lot less headache. Along the road, I actually started another business around trading, my trading course. Trading course that I've been so against. Now I have my own. There are many reasons for this, but one of the biggest is to share my knowledge for others to benefit from, and at the same time create another income stream. The hard part is to give up. I never give up, and the more time I put into trading, the more I want to push through. Thank you guys for watching, and stay until the end. This was just a great experience for me. It was I tried to do a little more cinematic video, and yeah, it got a lot more cinematic. I'm sorry about the cheesiness in this video, but it's just fun to explore, to be creative, and to see what the outcome is. And I mean, this is just a first video. For some reason you stick here to the end, so you might like it. I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate it, and I just need to do thank you to Sam Newton, a YouTuber that a filmmaker, but now a full-time YouTuber who I really look up to. I just stumbled across his videos a week ago, and he's such an inspiration. I watched almost all his videos, and yeah, he really can deliver a feeling. That was what I wanted to do today with this video, to deliver a feeling. And if you're a trader, if you've been trading for a while, I think you can recognize yourself in this video and all the pain and suffer that you go through to finally push out to the other side. But still, never know, how will this month be? How will this week be? Will you be profitable or not? So yeah, thanks for watching. Till the next time. Peace.